Morning, y'all. Morning. Once again, it's a early morning. You know, I told y'all I was gonna go ahead. I said in the last video, I guess in the description, we're gonna see how well the early morning video is gonna do, which is the 6:30 a.m. sunrise drive, right? Well, it's 4:30 right now. Well, I woke up like around 4:25, so I'm gonna do a 4:30 a.m. drive for y'all this morning. Got my juice. The ice is already melting in this motherfucker, man. Yeah, so got a little bit of fog in the headlights. Guess we can't beat the fog, y'all. Shucks. And you know, granted, we can't beat the fog. It's still bright, but no biggie. So, top of the morning to y'all. Good morning. Let's get a good look at the back end of this truck. Yeah. Get a good look at that back end. All right. Let's go ahead and get the day started. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Y'all have a good morning. Catch y'all in the, you know, if I don't end up talking in this video, I'll catch y'all in the next one.
up, Mason?
situation going on with this windshield. It is a little foggy. I mean, not, it's a little smudgy. You know, I guess I didn't clean it the right way. I thought I did. So now I know I better clean it at nighttime instead of in the daytime, so I can actually see what I need to work on. That'll give you the true details when you do your detailing and stuff. Clean it at nighttime. That's the best time I would tell y'all to clean y'all shit, man. But yeah, we almost at our destination, y'all. Quick little ride, smooth little ride, you know, just to get around the scene and everything like that. Posted a video, you know, I posted the sunrise video last night, and it looked like it's popping off, man. Only been up for 6 hours, and for the amount of subscribers I have and, you know, whatnot that I'm working with, man, it seems like that video and, you know, the last few videos have been doing very, very well. You know, it's been sustaining. So, man, when I say hop in the Chevy and let's ride, man, you know. So I'm almost at work. I'm gonna be there in like 5 minutes, I guess. But yeah, I wanted to go ahead and catch it while it was, while it's still hot and ready. I wanted to catch it like it was still hot and ready. So I made up in my mind last night before I went to bed. I said, you know what? Because I thought about y'all, right? I thought about the folks that actually, support me and everything like that. And the little bit that I have, I'm real grateful for. So we're almost at 300 subscribers. So congratulations to that. I appreciate everybody for sticking in there with me. My number one, I got one subscriber that's been here since day one, because believe it or not, this channel is gonna eventually get bigger. It's getting bigger and bigger now as we speak, but I do have a loyal subscriber, and he's been checking in with me a lot, often from time to time whenever I post something. And I just want to give thanks and everything like that, man. Just hanging in there with me. It's been a rough journey. It's been so many back and forth episodes where I go back to dealing with this part and going back to dealing with that part. Sometimes you just never know what can happen to where you think you got something done and you think that you may end up having, you might not have to deal with that again. Well, unfortunately, since these are machines and robots and shit like that, yeah, you gotta probably go back and maintain things, even after replacing it, repairing it, or whatever, or fixing it. I said I may not talk in this video, and I ended up talking just because I wanted to check in and check out with y'all, and just give you guys, what I'm saying, just talk, chit chat a little bit. We did a little drive this morning, but y'all, we almost at our destination, man. We almost at our destination, man. So we almost there. We gonna get our mind right, y'all. Shit, I gotta go drive. I got a 4-hour drive, so let's ride, y'all. Let's ride. Turn this light on. You can see me a little better. But yeah, I do want to present new things to the channel as well, y'all. So it's not just me fixing things like that. I want to drive a little bit. Why not? And discuss stuff as well. Just different topics, so you guys can get a better understanding of what's going on right now, just in the market, in the used truck market right now. Just whatever whatever you're looking into, just something. It don't gotta be always repairing and fixing things, man. I get that's why some people watch YouTube and they want to learn some stuff. Sometimes it's good to change it up, vibe a little bit, get to know me a little bit, man. Shucks, just get to know me. Just make sure this is the person you really want to watch every day. Just get to know my personality, on how I am. Just just getting to know each other and whatnot, man. Because sometimes you may be watching somebody, person might be wicked as heck, man. That's all I'm saying. You just never know what they expect, so you just got to be careful on who you watch. Ain't no other better way to say it besides that. Just got to be careful who you watch, because you don't never know who the enemy is, man. So catch y'all in the next episode. Y'all have a good morning.
I was stuck in a running the streets every day. You pop out on the been a little demon. I pull up in SRT. No some real deal slime there, raw, no ski. Let's go. Warm my cup, I think I'm tweaking. The boy got scratched, I left out of leak. You a killer, your dad LD. Can't cut no hoe. I'ma fuck then. Mama couldn't say double O. I was stuck in a running the streets every day. You pop out on the been a little demon. I pull up in SRT. No some real deal slime